Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. So can you first of all transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer in 2025? Yes, you can, but only through an official request method. So here's the fastest way to do it. First of all, you'll have to see if you are eligible. Of course, you can go and log in into your Payoneer account, and in here, an example on this list panel, you can go and click on Get Paid. Here, as you can see, you'll have to go and click on Request a Payment. And of course, how it works is simply you'll have to request a payment and your client will pays you as an example, then you'll be able to track your payment. So you can go and click on Get Started. And of course, for you, you'll have to fill up the information of who is paying you. You can go and enter the name, like email, whatever you want. As an example, let's just say I'm just going to type something like that. Add the payer details example after that. Of course, you can see here that's no matching contact. To add a new payer, you'll have to enter their email. So as you can see here, we'll have to basically enter their email, but we don't have we want to send our money from PayPal to Payoneer. So we can't just enter our PayPal email. So how can we do that? Of course, let me just go back here, and on this list panel, you can go to cards. Of course, if you don't have your card yet, you will not be able to do so. So make sure to go and get your card. Of course, you can order your card if you receive a payment of at least 100 USD or equivalent to your account in the past a 6-month period. And of course, you'll be able also to see here the ways that you can fund your account, as an example. So as you can see, I'm just going to show you. So as you can see here, you'll be able to get paid via receiving account or set payments requests to bill customers directly, or receive marketplace payments or receive payments from another Payoneer account, which is the most easiest one. So you can just go through that to know how to fund your account. Now, once you have your card right here, you can just go to your PayPal account. As an example, in here, you can just go and click on Add Card or Bank. Once you do so, you will be able, or you'll be prompted or taken here, and you'll have to simply here go and enter your card number. Basically, it's going to be the Payoneer card. Of course, if you have multiple cards, as an example, maybe even lots of Payoneer card, maybe a card that you linked with Payoneer, you'll be able also to go and enter it to your PayPal account. And you'll be able to transfer funds, of course, from then PayPal to Payoneer. This is one of the ways. Of course, there are other ways as well. Of course, this method may be a little bit more expensive than the other one, but it's a good way as well. So you can use AirTM for this. Of course, you can just go here and click on Add. And for me, I'm using a VPN at the moment, so I'll not be able to show you exactly. But as you can see, for me, I'll keep reloading the page. But for you, you'll find a lot of payments options. You'll have to go and choose PayPal. Once you choose your PayPal option, you'll be able to fund your AirTM account with money. Now, once you have it on your wallet here, you can go to this list panel and click on Withdraw. And of course, you will not be able to withdraw either, add any money if you didn't finish your setup account. So make sure to go and do so. So as I said, once you have your money here, you can always just go to withdraw and you will be able to make your payments or to send the payments. An example, you can click on Send Now and you will be able to go here and look, as an example, search for payment method and look for Payoneer. As you can see, you should find this right here. So you can just go and click on it and simply choose whatever suits you, as an example. So whether you're going to send euros, pound, or USD, whatever suits you, and you'll have to choose an example, the amount that you want to send. Let's say, an example, you want to withdraw 20. And as an example, of course, for me, I'll find insufficient pound or funds, and here, as you can see, you'll find the amounts that you will receive in your Payoneer account. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.